In today's video, we're diving into the revolutionary PDF to PowerPoint tool that is designed to transform your workflow. So get ready to experience a significant breakthrough in your presentation creation process. I'm confident that this tool will prove to be an invaluable part of your toolkit, and I'm excited today to share it with you. Imagine for a moment that you are faced with the daunting task of distilling a dense 100-page report to a concise presentation. This often could be a multiple day endeavor, but with the PDF to PowerPoint tool, I'm going to show you how to use. This is going to take a project that in the past would take you 2-3 days, maybe a week, and now we can do it all in 10 minutes. All right, so let's just get into it. So let's import a PDF, and I have a bit of a library, so yeah, this is a good one. Influence by Robert Cialdini. So just gonna upload that as a PDF, as you can see. Then we're just gonna say, give me 5 presentation options. That's it. It's going to search through the PDF, analyze it, and then come up with 5 presentation options. Just give it some time to do its thing here. Weapons of influence. That sounds cool. Reciprocation, the old give and take. As you can see, it's giving recommendations on slide count, emphasis, tone, right? So let's just kind of look at what we got here. We got weapons of influence, sweet, reciprocation, commitment, and consistency in action. Let's do, I like how it says use real life stories. So let's do number 3. Give me a presentation on number 3. And we'll just say, make it detailed with examples. And let's see, it should be thought provoking and motivational. Let's see what it does. Certainly, here's a detailed outline for a presentation on choice 3. So as you can see, right now it's giving us each slide with a visual. So we can use these if we want, but for this example, we just want to only be a text presentation. So we will tell it that. Deeply expand each slide, showcasing 3 to 5 key takeaways, points, key points, examples, data, etc. Found directly in the book, takeaways, slide numbers, and visuals. We want the presentation to only be text. Also, make it an actual presentation. Fill in all details as if you are presenting it to me. That means you should not merely give me a structure for an outline for me to fill in. You need to fill it all in. Make the presentation to me now. As you can see, that was just quick and rough. But the power of this tool, this GPT, the back end, is going to know what I want, and it's going to create what I want. It's exactly what I want. So as we can see, it's a little more detailed. We got pretty much what we want, and now we have a great presentation it's creating. So what we're going to do after it's done is we are going to open up PowerPoint, and we're going to populate this information into PowerPoint. So let's just open up. Actually, as promised, now is the secret in order to take all of this and turn it into a PowerPoint really quick. So now that we have this, while we're at it, let's open up Word. Okay, we already got Word. Now we're going to copy this. Copy this over to Word. Okay. Always click the second one. And then, so this is what we're doing here. Just move my face over here. So now what we're doing is, over here is probably better. We are going to go to View and then Outline. And then this is where the key is right here. So we're going to take all of this. Actually, what we're going to do, so we're going to go back here, say, I like what you did, but make it 15 slides. We're going to make it bigger, and then I'm going to show you something else. So instead of using this tool, we're going to go into Chat GPT 3.5 because we're going to get rid of all these numbers here. But I really do like this. It's quite nice. What we're going to do is we're going to tell it, get rid of all numbers. It should just be its title slide and the points underneath. But we are going to continue generating until it gets to 15, and then we will do that. Even has a question and answer in here. So we'll just copy this. And then we're going to go over to a normal one. Make sure you got 3.5 here so you don't waste your limits here. Get rid of all numbers. It should just be this slide title and the key points in bullet form. Keep all text the same. Do not change anything. just change the format. Just being careful. And here we go. So this is great. This is what we wanted. As you can see, migrating it into 3.5 to do a task like this is actually pretty good. This is what you want. So now we're going to copy this, and then we're going to go back over to here, and we're going to say, give me 3 ideas for a background for the PowerPoint. I will confirm which idea I like the best, and then you will make the image in a 1920 by 1080 size. Okay, it's creating images. So while it's doing that, let's just go in here. Then we're going to go back. You remember we copied and pasted it. Now we're just going to paste what we got here. So that's really what we want. Then we're going to go in here and we're just going to unbold everything. Now we'll go to view. We'll go to outline. Then what we'll do is every title, we're just going to hold down Control and click every title here. And I'm just going to go to make it level 1. So we got Q&A, we got conclusion, we have strategies, level 1. Like I said, just going through here, and we want to make it all level 1. And this is the wonderful tip I showed you, or I told you guys I would do. And this is just, it's wonderful stuff. And could you imagine just procrastinating until the very last second? You got to do a nice presentation, and then boom, you got it done. Just double checking here. That looks good. That looks good. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, blah, blah. That's it. So then the next ones in here, we have to make level 2. So we'll just do that. It's going down, level 2. Click. Remember, I'm just holding down Control and just highlighting what we want to make level 2. And we are just simply making it level 2. You'll see why here in a second. Just go to here, level 2. And here, level 2. Here, and level 2. Now, when we import this to Excel, I don't want the text to be blue. So let's just go back here. Now we're going to go in here, Control A, and we are going to go in and make the text black. Now we're going to save this. And we're just going to save it. That looks fine. Now we'll go open up PowerPoint. Oh my goodness, I just realized I was covering my actions here. So let's go back. And then when I go in here to view and to outline, this is what I was doing. Just going in here, level 1, level 2. Pardon me about that. Okay, so we're just going to close this and save. Now we're going to go into our PowerPoint. This is where the magic happens. So we're going to just open up a blank. And then we're going to go in slides from outline. And we're going to go on the desktop where I saved that. Where was it? The psychology. Yeah. Yes. Need to exit out first. Let's try that again. Slides from outline. Go down here, insert. Perfect. So we're just going to right click, delete that initial slide. But now as you can see, it looks pretty good. Okay. ChatGPT is doing the brunt or the grunt work here. We're just tasked with making it look a little prettier, which I got news for you. That's ChatGPT's job as well. So let's hop back on. These were the, that's actually beautiful. Wow. I don't even think I really need 3 more ideas. I think that's fine. So let's just download this. Then we're going to, I'll just bring this over so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So we'll just say background, it's fine. And we're going to go out, just for the sake of argument. Let's just say, now do a 1920 by 1080 of number 3, mind and decision making. And while that runs, just for the heck of it, we're going to go in here. We're going to go all the way to the bottom. Then we are going to right click, format background, go in here to picture. Let me get out of the way. Won't make that mistake again. Then we are going to go to insert, work offline. Oops. Then we're going to go in here, background, and insert. And as you can see, it's a great background, but it's doesn't contrast enough with the text. So what we'll do is we'll just increase the transparency of it a bit. We might change it a little more. Maybe find some other, let's see, picture corrections. Maybe we don't want it as sharp. No, we can do all kinds of things. Maybe we don't want it as bright. Maybe we want it a little more bright. I think probably 10% is fine. Maybe a little more contrasty, maybe a little less. And essentially, there you have it. I mean, now this is a presentation. If we want to change, make the text bigger, smaller, whatever, you all know how to do that. It's PowerPoint. But that's essentially it, guys. Just out of curiosity, let's go back into here. Excuse me. Let's go back into our chat GPT. And this was option 3 that we had it to make, which is also another beautiful background. Wonderful. You remember earlier in the video when I said I was going to provide exclusive access to this free tool? Well, it's in the description, and I hope you found it valuable. And if you did, here's how you can give back. So if you enjoyed and benefited from this video, please help me out on the algorithm. Give it a like and subscribe for more. This way you'll get even more tailored advice and tips from me in the future. So thank you so much for spending your time with me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And don't forget, if you're looking for more in-depth guidance or have specific needs, my coaching and consultation services are just a message away. I'm always looking for new ideas for custom GPT tools. So if you have a suggestion, feel free to leave a comment below, and the winner I will create a custom GPT for. The best idea will be my next project. So with that being said, you all have a great evening, great morning, great afternoon, wherever you are in the world, my beautiful people.